Welcome guys, in front of me I have Android smartphone and Samsung Galaxy M31, and I want to show you how you can transfer data from the Android phone to your new Samsung Galaxy. For the first, you have to get application to transfer data. Right now enter the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type clone it. And we have to get this application, we are going to work on it. So on this second smartphone you have to do the same. I did it and right now I can open it. And we are waiting for the Samsung. Click allow. Read the privacy and tap on the agree. Right now we are sending data from the Android, so click here sender, tap set, turn on location with the switcher, then just go back. Click sender one more time. On your Samsung, select receiver. Click all the time and click search again. If you got any requests for the permissions, you have to accept all of them. There's what this application required. And right now we have to click on this Android share icon. And we have two ways to connect. We can scan the QR code and also we can input this password manually. Oh, no, I don't want to stop, just cancel. This password here. I'm going to scan the code. So tap here, click allow. Grab your phone and put the frame into the QR code. Accept the request. And if you want to send everything, you have to click on all of these icons and then just click start. But at this example, so I'm going for the details and I think that I'm going to send maybe these two songs from the Post Malone. Click start. Okay, and it's finished. So right now I can show you where it is, and it will be in the file manager right here when we enter the audio probably, and yes, here it is. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya.